Pro Home Improvement Roofing Service provides professional roof installation services in Hampton, New Jersey, delivering high-quality roofing solutions for new construction and replacement projects. Our experienced roofing team installs durable, weather-resistant roofing systems using premium materials designed to withstand New Jersey's changing climate. We carefully assess your property's needs, recommend the best roofing options, and complete every installation with precision and attention to detail. A professionally installed roof enhances your property's protection, energy efficiency, and curb appeal while adding long-term value. Homeowners and businesses in Hampton, New Jersey trust Pro Home Improvement Roofing Service for reliable roof installation services backed by exceptional craftsmanship and outstanding customer satisfaction. Call us today, Pro Home Improvement Roofing Service, to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a roof installation services near me? You can stop looking. You found Pro Home Improvement Roofing Service. What is included in roof installation services? Roof installation services include removing old materials when necessary, preparing the roof deck, installing underlayment, flashing, ventilation components, and new roofing materials. Pro Home Improvement Roofing Service in Hampton, New Jersey ensures every installation is completed with attention to quality, safety, and long-term durability. What roofing materials are available for installation? Homeowners and businesses can choose from asphalt shingles, metal roofing, slate roofing, tile roofing, and flat roofing systems. Pro Home Improvement Roofing Service in Hampton, New Jersey helps customers select the best roofing material based on durability, appearance, maintenance needs, and overall budget. What is your service office for roof installation services, Hampton, New Jersey? Our local roof installation services Hampton, New Jersey office has served Hampton, Clinton, Glen Gardner, Washington, Oxford, Lebanon Township, Califon, Clinton Township, Union Township, Roxbury Township, Stanhope, East Amwell Township, Reddington Township, Mansfield Township, Warren County, Hunterdon County, New Jersey. Where is your Pro Home Improvement Roofing Service located? We are located at 96 NJ 173, Hampton, New Jersey 08827. Our phone number is 908-676-7201. Visit our website, https://aproofer.com/HamptonNJ.